Hello guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So let's make a boat to find treasure, obviously. Okay, so let's place the block. And I'm just gonna make it simple. I'm gonna make a little. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. You go here, find this, place, and you will need to sit down, place this block, and place this. And the glitch should work. I did something wrong, so let me do it again. Okay, let's do this again. Place it here, go here, place it here, and place this here. Just know, click on anchor block so it doesn't show the check mark, or this won't work. So let me show you. You just can fly like this until the end of the whatever it's called, sea. I'll show you, then I will end the video. And you don't even have to launch. At the end you can do that, but it's whatever. To build here, cause you can't. Let's go. So here is the clock. This one is not that hard. And I have not seen this one before. It looks cool. The fuck? Okay, whatever, let's go again. Gotta go fast. It's super easy to do, but super effective. But it will take a long time to get to the end and get the treasure. So let's do this. I have not seen this one before. Does it? What the? Huh? Go fast. Well, you know, guys, how to do it, but it looks like it broke and I died. So, yeah, I lost. Okay, we got that. These two chests will be cool. Okay, so, guys, we are now gonna try that again. If it doesn't work, end the video. Okay. See, so this on anchor block, place the glue block, and place this hinge. Delete, and it will work. Now you can just jump your way to victory. So, I have played this game a little. I should have started to record when I started the game, but I didn't do that. So, yeah. At the end, I'll show you some codes for gold and some blocks. I haven't even launched and I'm like halfway done. Here, I died last time. We better not do that again. Run, run, run. We did it. This one looks kinda cool. Let's go. What the? We did it. We didn't die. And at the end, I'll show you how to get to the treasure chest. This is basically the end. So, speedrun. And when you get to the end, you pass this. And then you go here, and then you just gotta do this. It will make you fall, I think. It worked for me, I don't know about you. See? And then you can just quickly, you will go back up and keep jumping and you'll win. So, here's some codes for gold. First is this code. And third, I don't really remember, so bye guys.